Are you planning to buy your first home and feeling overwhelmed? Well, the first step is establishing your budget. Understanding your financial situation is crucial before you start eyeing those dreamy listings. Take into account your total income and outgoings, and remember, it's not just the cost of the home, but also property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Online mortgage calculators can be handy tools for estimating monthly payments and down payments. You might also consider consulting a financial advisor. Once you've established your budget, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have your budget in place, it's time to check your credit score. This 3-digit number is a key player in securing your mortgage. A higher score can usher in lower interest rates, saving you a significant amount over time. Don't forget to comb through your credit report for any discrepancies. Rectifying errors can help boost your score. Remember, a healthy credit score can open the door to more favorable mortgage terms. With your credit score in check, you're ready to pursue mortgage pre-approval. This pivotal step signals to sellers that you mean business. Don't forget to explore different mortgage types like fixed rate and adjustable rate to find what fits your financial landscape. Pre-approval positions you as a serious buyer in the eyes of sellers. Next up is finding a trusted ally in your home buying journey, a real estate agent. They'll help you identify suitable properties, provide essential local market insights, and negotiate offers on your behalf. A reputable real estate agent can make your home buying process smoother. With your agent by your side, it's time to start house hunting. This stage is about more than just finding a house you love. It's about defining your priorities. Are you looking for a specific location, a certain size, or particular amenities? Once you've identified potential properties, conduct thorough research. Scrutinize local market trends, examine the neighborhood's amenities, and assess the property's condition. Your agent can provide valuable insights to guide your decision-making. Remember, effective research lays the groundwork for making an informed offer. Found your dream home? Now it's time to make an offer. This step calls for smart negotiation as sellers may counteroffer. Your real estate agent can guide you through this dance. An effective offer aligns with your budget and future plans. Once your offer is accepted, it's time for a home inspection. This crucial step involves a professional inspector identifying any potential issues with the property. Don't overlook this part of the process. An inspection can provide leverage for negotiations on repairs or price adjustments. After a successful home inspection, it's time for an appraisal and final mortgage approval. Here, your lender takes the reins. They'll arrange for an independent appraisal to verify that the property's value aligns with the purchase price. This step is crucial, because if the home appraises lower than the agreed price, it could affect your loan amount. If all goes well, and the appraisal meets expectations, your lender can proceed with the final mortgage approval. The final mortgage approval brings you one step closer to homeownership. Now comes the final step, closing the deal. This stage involves signing a myriad of documents including your mortgage, property deed, and insurance policies. It's crucial to review everything meticulously to ensure your understanding. Closing the deal marks the end of your home buying journey. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. It's time to move in. This is when the real fun begins. Planning your move, transferring utilities, and most importantly, transforming your new house into a home. So take a deep breath and enjoy the process of making your new house a home. Owning a home is not just about buying it, it's about maintaining it. Regular upkeep preserves your home's value and prevents costly future repairs. From routine cleaning to seasonal checks, stay proactive. Remember, a well-maintained home is a well-preserved investment. I hope you found this comprehensive guide to buying and owning a home helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights into the world of homeownership. I know that the process can be daunting, and you might have many questions or concerns. I encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you might have in the comments section below. We're here to help and learn from each other. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dream home is just a few steps away. Stay proactive, stay informed, and happy house hunting.